Hi, today in front of me Galaxy A14 and I'll show you how to switch on flashlight on this device. So to do that, we should open the control panel and tap to the torch icon to activate the flashlight. Now we can see that the flashlight successfully activated. Just to turn it off, click on the torch icon once again and that's it. If you want to switch the torch level, just brightness level of your flashlight, you should hold for a while this icon, and after that we can just switch it. So the camera light may cause slow temperature burns in the program contact with the skin and water period. Okay, so you can here change the level of the brightness of your flashlight from just level 1 to 3 on to 5 level. This is the highest level, this is the slowest one, so here is the middle. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.